Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, but you already know what it is. It's Marshayla Monique.
All alone with my fears, I'm wondering if I have to do.
Remember I slid up the young man.
There's no reason why.
Still here with
I
it.
sleep late last night.
But I had a really bad day at work, so I'm like, I need to do something to make me feel better, because like today was so horrible, and I hate when like I have a bad day at work and it just like takes over my entire rest of the day. So we're gonna it's raining outside and stuff is falling over, but what we're gonna do a little project in my closet. I will show y'all in 1 second. I'm about to get ready to go to Ikea, because what I need, I think, is gonna be at Ikea. I don't know, maybe is the power about to go out? Stop, because I'm literally scared of the dark. Oh gosh, but yeah, we're about to go to Ikea. I'm gonna just take out with me and like turn it into like a little vlog slash DIY type of situation. So we'll see. But right now, let me just fix up my non-existent ass edges, because who knows, I might meet the man of my dreams at Ikea. Duh. And I need to start saving money for a new MacBook, or I'm never going to be able to upload anymore. Like, I need a new computer. Alright, I'm going to go show you what I want to do. Okay, let me also mention this. If you have an iPhone 12 Pro, try to record a video on 0.5. It gives you the best view ever. But basically what... Can you be quiet, sir? People have no respect. But basically what I want to do, I'm going to take this wall and make this a wall with different shelvings on it, where it has like all of my like body spray, lotions and stuff like that, and just take it all the way down the wall, and then hair products as well. And I'll take this little thing that's on the wall, quote or whatever, and move it over here, and then I'll take that thing off the wall. But then eventually I want to get a new vanity that goes here. I'm gonna leave this here, but I'll probably take some of the stuff off of it, make it look a little bit different. But yeah, basically the plan is just redoing this wall and making it like a little bit more organized. Because I mean, this is cute now, but it's just like, I don't know, I was at work overthinking about stuff, and I'm just like, I just want to do something different. And then you'll see me organize that, and then I'll probably take some of the stuff from here, some of the products from here, and move it over to that shelf. So that should be fun. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna just put some shoes on. I probably have to put some socks on with these Crocs because it's raining and my toes will get wet. It's raining. Oh my. It's raining so bad that my neighbor's baby pool blew all the way over here. All the way from on the other side of that house to all the way over here, and knocked over a sign. So, love that. Alright, my phone is... I see that lightning? My phone is definitely gonna fall, but... Stop, I'm literally scared. Yeah, my phone is definitely gonna fall, but... We're about to go to Ikea. So yeah, Ikea's like 15 minutes from here, from my house, from my crib. Y'all, should I do a car tour? What do I think? What should I do? What should I do? Should I do a car tour? My trap mobile. My trap mobile. I need a way for this to stay up here, but I don't know how it's gonna happen. Ouch, my back. I don't have anything to hold it. What the frick? Look at this. Well, this is just right on me, but...
I want the same thing fixed. It's time to have sex.
Got you wet, baby, say yes. Y'all could have told me that my lips was white. Fake friends. Baby, say yes. My other friend bought it. I Come on, y'all, let's get it. Y'all about to fall. I know y'all is. I know y'all is. Not this man walking behind line myself. Wow, y'all about to see him walking in the rain. Goofy. Thank you, sir. I drive fast. I know this is gonna fall. I know it's gonna fall. I know it's gonna fall. Look at y'all. Look at y'all falling. Let me see if I can pick y'all up real quick. Oh. Let me see if I can pick y'all up real quick. Oh no.
Do you love me? Do you love me not? Damn, you hit the spot. Sweet like fruit, ooh, wet like water. They will got money, I ain't lying.
Well, I'm glad it's not me. Alright, y'all, we are here at Ikea, reporting live from Ikea. And let's hope I don't spend every dollar in my pocket. Yeah, I couldn't record much. Eventually, I'm gonna get like a little phone stand for my car, but... Did it cut me off? I was saying, because my phone's about to die, actually. But I couldn't record, like, driving and stuff. But eventually, I'm gonna get, like, a phone, like, something to put in my car that, like, holds my phone up so I can, like, vlog in the car. But for now, we're not gonna do it because I don't want to crash. So, yeah. All right, let's go into Ikea. Turn on. It's my glasses being fogged up for me. I do need to get a rug for my closet, and this one's $9.99, but I don't really want a white one. What else do they have here? That one's cute. I just don't want it in white. I don't like that at all. Much rather have it in gray. That goes a little better than these ones, but this one's $30. I'm not paying that. I'll pay $9.99 for the white one, but what's this? I don't like that. I want it to be fluffy. Come on, Ikea. What about the brick bitches? Will white even look good in there? I don't know. Let's keep walking. Got everything I needed for $20.
Alright, thank you. Okay, do you want to put this back on the bed?
Okay, y'all, so I got everything that I needed. I'm so happy because it literally was not that expensive. And then I also got a rug for my closet as well because I've wanted to put one on the floor, but I need to open it and actually see like if it's giving or not. Like my entire room is gray. Oh, I thought somebody would be even at me like, sis, can I pull out? So I got an extra $20, extra $25 to spend. So we're going to Target. No, but I need to open this now. I need to see what it's looking like. Come on. Y'all, I'm so excited. It's about to be so fun. Ugh. Ikea. Yeah, but I guess something had happened with my receipt in the store or something. Wouldn't scan something. Because I accidentally went to self-checkout and forgot that you have to have like an Ikea family card or something. They're like, do you have a family card? I'm like, no. I don't want one. I don't think I like it. It's like... and it stinks. I mean, it might give. It might give. Okay, we'll see once we get there. So yeah, now it smells funny. It smells like an old person house. Now we're about to go to Target so I can get toothbrushes, and then I want to get don't even need anything for real. I actually, no, I do. I need turkey bacon and look at me trying to make up stuff that I need. I don't need it. I do need to grab toothbrushes though. I was gonna go to freaking TJ Maxx and Home Goods, but I'm not even gonna do it because I'm gonna end up spending all my money on candles and blah 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 blah. I need to chill. I do get paid. How do I get out of here? Guys, help me. How do I get out of here? I don't know what to do. Let me see if this will work. Let me like fix it. I'm hungry. But I've been hungry every freaking second lately. Girl, it's gonna keep falling. I'm gonna call you when I get there. I mean, I'm gonna talk to you when I get there. So we are back and I got everything that I need. I wanted to make an alcoholic drink, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna stay sober. That's good. I'm in water, but I love it. Okay, I did go to Target. I got a few things from there. I got this room spray. I mean, it kind of smells like cheap spray from Dollar Tree, but it's Botanics French lavender and honey blossom. It's okay. And then I got toothbrushes, like I said, and then I got. I had to get Drano because my bathroom sink is clogged up. And then, yeah, that is it. And then from Ikea, I had to get these little things that'll hold the little, I hope, oh gosh, I hope these nails fit them. I'm scared. Please, Lord, please, let these fit. Amen. Always come through. Yeah, okay, perfect. I have these nails from doing something else, but yeah, these are gonna like get nailed into the wall and like hold the thing up like this. Oh, like this. Yeah, you get like that. I don't really know how far apart I should put them. And then these are the pieces of wood, and y'all, I honestly may go back and get more because these were so cheap. These were $2.49, and then these were 75 cents. Like, huh? I'll come back and do my whole house like this. Like, I think I might put some in my living room. So yeah, I'm super excited. Is that a bug? Yeah, I'm super excited about that. And then here's that carpet. Oh my gosh, that's a spider. I killed it with the hammer. Yeah, here's that rug that I got. I'm gonna put it. It's all messed up. Hold on. Hold on, y'all can't even freaking see me. It's not giving. It's really not. I don't like it. I mean, it'll do for now. It's not giving at all. It's not giving anything, but it'll do for now. I want to get like a plush one. It'll do for now. So anyways, back up here. I'm here. Yeah, so anyways, actually, here's what we can do. Lift a little bit of this up. Slide that under so that it doesn't move. So now this will be here, and then this little rug, I'll do it like this. So the rug will just be in front of, go down, in front of there, so it kind of like holds it. I don't know, it's still not giving anything, but it'll do for now, like I said. Okay, perfect. Now my sweats. Let's get to work.
Okay, so shortly here, I will realize that this is actually not working. It was mainly because the nails that I had got, they were like spiral nails. So when I nailed them into the wall, like they just didn't have anything to hold on to, I guess. So I still tried to make it work, but I noticed that the shelf was a little bit lopsided and a little bit loose. So if I sat anything on it, like it was going to fall off. So yeah, just watch me figure that out on my own.
Hey y'all, I just wanted to come and explain a little bit further what I had to do. So the nails that I had, when I say spiral, I mean like, you know, them nails that got like they're like got a little twist in it. You like need a screwdriver, like screw it into something. That's the nails that I was using because I previously used them for some like this thing back here, but that clearly didn't work. So I really tried to take a screwdriver and like screw them into the wall. Don't ask me why I thought that was gonna work. Regardless, it didn't. So I had to go to Family Dollar and I found some like flat head nails. I think this was called, I don't know, but they worked a lot better. I ain't even gonna lie, it's still a little bit loose. I probably should have, honestly, I don't know, I'm not a construction worker, I don't know, but it's a little bit, it's more sturdy now, but like before, literally if I would have sat something on it, it would have fell right off. But I was trying to do everything that I could because I didn't want to go to the store, but it's perfectly fine now. You can hold a lot on it. It's still a little bit loose, but not as loose as it was with those other nails. So yeah, I just wanted to explain that. All right, y'all, I had to literally go to a few stores to try to find some new nails, so hopefully this will work. It's literally nighttime now. Like, I literally had to go to 2 stores, and then I forgot both of my debit cards at home. Like, I don't know. I really don't know what is going on. I got these holes right here. Or God willing. Gosh, freaking willing. What are those on the floor? I'm gonna try to use these ones. Oh, I think this will fit. And so far, so good. Nervous. I'm just trying to get some shells, bro. It's working.
Alright, so obviously y'all can see I figured out the problem. So now I'm going to just let y'all watch me build and complete these shelves because period, I'm so excited. You'll see me in a second get so excited that it's finally working. So finish watching.
Let me clean this up. Alright, next what I'm going to do is start putting products and stuff on there. And pretty much everything that I want. I just want it to be a little bit more organized in here. Like, I'm low-key a hoarder, so just like everything is just always everywhere. This is a little bit close to this shelf, but it's okay. We could move some stuff around over here too. Take these, see if we can get some away. Also, if y'all can't see, it's a wooden floor in here. So I'm gonna have to definitely clean up the floor. And whatnot. Everything in here is everything. What's that? Everything in here is what I currently use. I honestly, y'all, I want to start getting more like actual expensive perfumes, but I'm such a cheapskate that I don't want to. I'm sweating on my edges. I mean, I want to, but then again, I don't. Like, I have the money to do so. It's just like, I don't know. I really don't know. So yeah, all right. We'll put my most used stuff on this one, and then this one will be some hair products. Then the top can be, I don't know how to organize it. This is empty. I know this is empty, but it smells good. This one ain't too sturdy. Hold on. This smells fire. I just got this. It is Sunshine Mimosa. I'm a big fan of Bath and Body Works sprays. I know some people don't like them because they're cheap, but I'm gonna tell you this right now. I always smell good, period. And that could just be brushes. That's a good idea. I think I'm done with it. is what it's looking like. All right, so this is what it's looking like. Here's all the products on the shelf. I have so much stuff. And then down here, I just made kind of like a miscellaneous type of thing. And then I got the little shelf and stuff over here. Still kept the same stuff on there. Just lip gloss and stuff here, and then hair scrunchies and stuff like that. I still left this small little vanity here, which I'm going to get rid of soon actually, because I need something bigger. And then here I just switched over those quotes. So here's just an overview. Don't look at the rest of the closet. This will be a work in progress, but I'm thinking about it. Still kind of seems cluttered to me, but a little bit better. I'm a little bit more organized. I can see all my stuff, but I'm thinking about putting lights under here. So let me know what y'all think about that. Like some LED lights. I feel like that would be super cute. Or maybe just some lights in here in general. Because eventually I want a whole vanity. Eventually I want a whole vanity here with a seat. So we'll see. But yeah, this video have been recording for at least an hour. I'm going to cut it down, you know, speeding stuff up and whatnot. But thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this. Maybe you got some tips from this, or maybe you have some tips for me. I don't know. Let me know. I'm literally hot and sweating because I turned the air conditioner off because I didn't want to make noise. So yeah, y'all. I'll catch y'all next video. And you already know what it is and you already know what it ain't. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.